Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs, welcome back to this channel. We have a Panasonic LED TV, a model LED 3288, which is turning on but no image appears on the screen. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
Hindi pa ba sila dapat maipagtanggol ng Estado? Di ba? Ano ko? TBBM, ako naman pwede pagbigyan mo. Hindi yan pati ng tono eh, di ba?
Karapatan ba ng isang citizen ng isang bansa na mag-request sa kanyang presidente, sir? Parang pinto
The TV is not displaying any image, so let's proceed to the timing control and measure the voltages. The 12-volt supply already has 8.8 volts when the TV is plugged in, even though the TV is not turned on. It reaches 12.16 when it is turned on. The VONE is 0 volts, even the B plus in is 12.15 volts. The problem here is why the B plus input already has 8.8 volts when the TV is plugged into AC, even though the power is not yet turned on. Let's find the location where the B plus input giving the supply is. Set the multimeter to continuity mode. Beep means it is the line is connected. It seems that this MOSFET serves as the power supply for the B plus input source of the panel. The MOSFET typically becomes leaky and does not function properly. Let's remove it and replace it with the good MOSFET. This board is from a 32-inch LED TV. This is the MOSFET switch supply to the panel. They are probably similar functions. So let's remove it and replace it with the leaky MOSFET. I accidentally created a bridge between these pads, and I fixed it off cam. Let's test if the B+ supply is now operational and able to switch. As you can see, it has 0 volts when it plugs into AC. And switches to 12.1 volts when it turns on. And we have an image now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. Once again, this is Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.